Welcome to
Cooking with Kids.
My name is Khalil.
And mine is Andrew.
Today on the script you have my account, KidDadCode123, and in this project I made called Hide and Seek Among Us. So we first have a sprite called Hider, and it's a Cyan Among Us player. And when green flag clicks forever, if Among Us players you found it is a variable equals free broadcast all hiders found. Stop this script. So if you found all these Among Us players, which are hiders, then it will broadcast all hiders found. When green flag click, it will set Among Us players you found to 0. So whenever I press green flag, it will reset the variable. Go to x76 y negative 54, which is right here. Show and say, let's play hide and seek. You are the seeker and you need to find us for 1 second. Go to random position. When this sprite clicked, it will change Among Us players you found by 1 because you found this Among Us player. Say you found me and play Among Us vent sound effects until done, which I found in YouTube. When I receive all hiders found, go to x76 y negative 54. Say let's do that again for 1 second. Broadcast end or play again. So I play it to when play again, which are just the same code as when I when green flag kick, because it's when you press the play again button. So you can play it all over again. And hider 2 and hider 3 is all the same code. And sprite 1, sprite 2, sprite 3, sprite 4, and sprite 5 all is go to front layer, which is just some hiding spots you can go, the Among Us players can go to, and there's button 3. When green flag clicks, it will hide. When I receive end or play again, which is it's time to show up, it will go to x0 y0, so in the middle, and it will show go to front layer. When this sprite is clicked, play sound, click until done, broadcast, play again, and hide. So click it to play again, and it will always play Lying to Me, which is an Among Us song. And now let's do it. But they're both together.
The other one is hidden by the refrigerator.
Found me. Okay, Andrew's turn.
So one is in security, one is in the middle
of the wall.
This is
in the middle of the wall.
Okay, last time.
One is next to me, and they stand, and one just trying to go to maybe to the cafeteria scratch, trying to go there, going across the wall maybe, and
Last time. And one is there.
Yeah.
I know if I can do it too.
Yeah, you Well, that was fun, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye-bye.